Hello and welcome to another decoupage tutorial, upcycled one, this time with napkins. I have this used candle container which I cleaned, and I'm now taking out my napkin image from, and we're gonna do so-called reverse decoupage first. And I am taking off the 2 layers of white napkin because you only use the napkin with the image on. And the next step is decoupage glue, and I am using for this my glitter decoupage glue, and I am applying a little bit of it on the container itself. With reverse decoupage, make sure you don't have any grease parts or fingerprints on it, on your glass container, because they will show. So make sure it's really clean. So I applied a little bit of the decoupage glue on the container itself, and now carefully I am gluing my napkin with some more glitter decoupage glue. Here make sure you are very careful because the napkin will get wet and it can be ruined. Of course, if that happens, just take it off, clean it again and start over. Trust me, I did it as well, because sometimes I am just doing it, gluing it, and then I see it is ruined. So take off your napkin, clean it and start over. It's no problem. And don't forget, if you like this kind of videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. It really does help me grow. So next step is I am painting or decorating my container so it will match and it will be seen from inside out. So I am applying dots here because I was thinking it really match my napkins. So I am using these acrylic paints for this, and I let them dry before I continue working on my glass container, which could be later on used as flower pots or just like that, because you're gonna see images from inside and outside. And now the next step for this is applying acrylic paint, white paint, and I applied 2 layers of the paint, and of course let it dry between each layer. And this way as you can see, my napkins became really nice and visible. Now my white paint is dry and it is time to put my classic decoupage there, and we are doing the same what we did before. So I am using my water pen for this, taking my napkins off and using only the layer with the image off. And here again I applied a little bit of decoupage glue onto the container itself, just for the sake the napkin won't slide off, and then carefully gluing my napkin with more decoupage glue. And here again I must say I did it. Oh, this one I did again because the first one got ruined. So there is no problem when your napkin is still wet. Just wipe it off with wet towel and start over. It's no problem, because napkins are very delicate when they get wet, of course, right? So this way I am doing it around my container. as you can see here. And after I glued everything on, I let it dry, and then it is time for painting and blending again. And for this I am using acrylic paints, and I am going even inside the napkin for better blending. And with this paint I painted the container all the way around because I kinda didn't like the white, so I decided to use a little bit of beige paint on this. And on bottom of my container I am using brown paint, which like reminds me, you know, of garden and such. So I applied a little bit of brown, and then later on I applied a little bit of green to like to be grass or and such. And now a little bit of shading, and as I was saying, I like to do it this way. Of course there are many other ways you can do shading on your project. Then with a little bit of water, small brush and paint, I am applying dots on my container again. And after this I let it of course dry, and here you can see I am applying the green paint to look like grass, because chicken grass, right? So this is why I am doing that. After everything was dry, I sealed it all with glaze, pouring glaze. Of course you can use varnish, and I applied 3 to 4 layers, let it dry between each layer, and here it is all finished, my cute Easter container, which you can put flowers on in or something else what you like. I do hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. The next tutorial is coming up soon, and here it is a little container matching my big container. Until next time, bye.